how to record your computer screen with VLC player. So let's start it. First of all, open the VLC player, then go on, then go to media and click on open capture device. Then click on this, and you can see here the device is here. Then capture mode, click on here and click on desktop. Then you have see, and here you click on this and right here is fps per second, yeah, 60 fps per second. I prefer 30 fps per second for the low configuration laptop or PC. And click on this button, then click on it, and then click on convert button, and you can see the new convert pop-up window are open. Then first first of all click on it and go to down and click on video for MPEG 10 TB device. Click on it, then click on browse, and you can see I want to save video file on desktop. So right here the new video recording. Okay, and click on desktop and click on save and click on start. You can see time is starting and recording also starting, and you can see I have record this screen. So I refresh and recording is, then click on VLC, and ये ऑडियो रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं कर पाता है VLC. Then click on this pause button and click on this stop recording and finish the recording. So this button is stop. So click on this and video recording is saved. So minimize this, and you can see new video recording is saved for कितने सेकेंड, 31 सेकेंड, 1.64 MB मात्र, ओनली 1.64 MB, जो आप इसे ओपन करके देख सकते हो. कैन सी वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग इज स्टार्टेड एंड ओनली रिकॉर्ड द डेस्कटॉप आइकन, डेस्कटॉप स्क्रीन. So this is recording, and so this is how to record video screen record by VLC. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel.